Good morning to you, Nina and Ben. Well, this picture actually comes from Bude in Cornwall, but this is yesterday's sunrise because our weather watchers haven't quite got out of bed to go and capture the sunrise, which will be rising fairly shortly for some of us. But today, similar to yesterday, it's going to be a real east-west split to the day. So another day of really mixed fortunes today on Sunday. We've got a brisk wind still, especially around eastern counties of England, a cold northerly wind bringing quite a lot of cloud as well. But further west across the UK, there'll be some sunshine and much less windy conditions. So we're sandwiched between two areas of cloud at the moment, one coming in from the Atlantic from west here, and we've got another area of cloud out to the southeast. Now this one has been a bit of a troublemaker over recent days. It's a slow moving area of low pressure. It's starting to ease away towards the southeast, but still a lot of ice bars on the map, and we've still got that brisk northerly wind. So it really will be parts of Lincolnshire, East Anglia, down towards the southeast that will see the strongest of the wind gusts. But for the rest of the UK, we've got more sunshine around, largely dry conditions and less windy as well. So this is 4 o'clock this afternoon across much of Scotland, plenty of sunshine, bit of cloud just lingering in the far east there, that cloud pushing into the northeast of England as well. But Northern Ireland, northwest England into Wales, a lot of sunshine, less windy here, stronger winds, gusts about 40 or 50 miles per hour towards the likes of Lincoln. Lots of drizzly, showery rain here in the far. Should ease away as we move through the course of tonight. So at last, the winds are easing. Clear skies for most places, so temperatures again getting down into low single figures, but not quite as chilly as it was last night. So for Monday then, we've got this frontal system moving its way in, but it's going to tend to fizzle out a little bit because it's got a ridge of high pressure ahead of that as well. So through the day on Monday then, a lot of dry weather to start things off, particularly for England and Wales. Initially some patchy rain for Northern Ireland and Scotland, and this area of rain will just nudge into the northwest of England, into Wales as we head on into the afternoon. Ahead of that, a much improved day, much less windy for East Anglia, the Midlands, in towards the southeast as well. So temperatures getting up to about 19 degrees or so. And then we've got fresher conditions with sunshine and showers heading in from the northwest. So looking on into next week then, for Tuesday, a ridge of high pressure keeps things largely dry and settled, but then the next Atlantic low pressure moves its way in from midweek onwards. So that's going to bring some unsettled conditions from Wednesday onwards, really. It's also going to start to introduce some slightly cooler air as well after a milder start to the working week. So it's a bit up and down as we head through the coming weeks. Some quieter conditions for Monday into Tuesday for most of us, but from Wednesday onwards, things are turning more unsettled, cooler once again, feeling pretty autumnal through much of this week. Ben and Nina. Yeah, that's absolutely right. Good morning to you, Ben and Nina. A very mixed picture once again, similar to what we've had over the past couple of days. An east-west split really across the country. So breezy, I think, really wherever you are. But the strongest of the winds once again today are going to be in the east, particularly eastern counties of England. There'll also be some sunshine around and lighter winds further west as well. So here on the satellite image, you can see we're wedged between two areas of cloud moving in from the Atlantic and also another area of cloud out towards the southeast. Now this is the slow moving area of low pressure that's brought strong winds and some heavy showers in the east over recent days. Now through today, it's gradually going to be easing away towards the southeast. So these strong winds in the east will start to ease, but not really until later on this evening and overnight as well. But for much of the day, good portion of the UK sees blue skies and sunshine. So 4 o'clock this afternoon then across Scotland, still a little bit cloudy in the far north and east, but for much of Scotland, after a very chilly start to the day, the sunshine will warm things up to about 12 degrees or so. Sunny skies too for parts of Northern Ireland, northwest England into Wales, 14 or 15 degrees, but cloudier conditions in the east with gusts of around about 40 to 50 miles per hour. Again, that could cause a few issues here. Some showery rain too, which will ease away through this evening and overnight. So through tonight then, that cloud and the strong winds clearing away slowly. We've got clear skies for much of the UK, so another fairly chilly night, but temperatures won't fall quite as low as they did last night. In fact, we've got temperatures out there around about -3 or -4 degrees across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now heading through into Monday morning, we've got the next area of low pressure moving in from the Atlantic, but this is a fairly weak frontal system, bringing some patchy rain to Scotland and Northern Ireland initially. A much improved day for much of England, particularly in the east where we've had those strong winds over recent days. Less blustery, a little bit warmer here too for Monday afternoon, with temperatures in London up to about 19 degrees. Little patchy rain reaching the northwest of England, Wales, perhaps down towards the southwest later in the afternoon, followed by sunshine and scattered showers. Now, heading through into Tuesday, a ridge of high pressure, so a window of quieter weather for a time. But through the middle part of the week, low pressure lining up from the Atlantic, bringing us a pretty unsettled story. And from Wednesday onwards, after a brief milder spell in the weather, we will see some slightly cooler winds coming in from the northwest as well. So to sum up the week ahead, it's a bit up and down, a little bit quieter for Monday and for Tuesday as well. But certainly from Wednesday onwards, a return to something pretty autumnal, blustery, unsettled, and turning a little bit cooler again towards the end of the week. Nina and Ben. I know, it's gorgeous, isn't it? This is the sunrise in Teignmouth in Devon. A beautiful start to the day there. We've got clear skies, and actually clear skies for many of us first thing this morning. So it's been a cold night. In fact, it's been the coldest September night on record in Northern Ireland. We've got temperatures at the moment in Catesbridge, Northern Ireland, down at -3.7 Celsius. So a chilly start to today for many of us. Again, we're going to see quite a brisk wind around, particularly around eastern counties of England today, because we've got a low pressure system that's quite slow moving, sitting out towards the southeast here. You can see quite a lot of isobars across parts of East Anglia and the southeast too. So winds coming in from a northerly direction here, driving in some big waves. But away from those eastern counties of England, for much of the UK, it is looking like a decent day. Lots of blue sky, lots of sunshine. Across Scotland, after that really cold start to the morning, things will warm up to about 11 or 12 degrees this afternoon. So fairly crisp but dry with some sunshine. A similar picture across Northern Ireland, northwest England and Wales too. But for Lincolnshire, East Anglia and the southeast, it stays windy all day. Gusts about 50 miles per hour close to the coast, with a few showers around here too. Now, those showers should fade away overnight, clearing skies once again. Won't be quite as cold as it was last night. We've got more cloud moving in from the northwest, but we have got those clear skies again for central areas, bringing a chilly start to your Monday morning. Bye-bye. Morning to you, Ben and Nina. Well, it's a beautiful start to the day across many parts of the country. This is the stunning view as the sun rose a little bit earlier on, just on the edge of the Snowdonia National Park in North Wales. So we've got some clear skies around there, and many of us are waking up to a clear and a cold start to the day. In fact, in Northern Ireland, it's the coldest September night on record, with temperatures at Catesbridge down at -3.7 degrees. So a chilly day ahead. We've got quite a brisk wind with us still, but there'll be some sunshine around. Certainly another day of mixed fortunes, though. For parts of eastern England, like the last couple of days, we've got more cloud lingering around here, with the low pressure system quite slow moving close by to the southeast, and it is going to be another windy day. Lots of isobars there on the map across parts of eastern and southeastern England today. There'll also be a few showers coming out of this area of cloud for those eastern counties, anywhere from the East Riding, Lincolnshire through East Anglia down towards the far southeast as well. But away from eastern England, for the rest of the UK, after that cold start, there will be quite a bit of sunshine. This is 4 o'clock this afternoon, and it is dry and fine across Scotland. Temperatures only about 11 or 12 degrees, so still feeling cool, but dry with blue sky. Similar picture for Northern Ireland, northwest England and Wales too. But look at those gusts of wind, 50 miles per hour or so around those eastern coasts. Some big that cloud in the east. But eventually, through this evening and tonight, the winds in the east will start to ease away. We've got another weather front working in from the far northwest, but clearer skies in between these two areas of cloud. So another fairly chilly night to come, but not as cold as it was last night. Most of us just about staying above freezing, certainly in the towns and cities. Now, through into Monday, then, we've got a ridge of high pressure for a time, but then this weather front moves its way in from the northwest. It will be a fairly weak affair. Patchy rain in the morning tomorrow for parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. That will just slowly push into the northwest of England, Wales and the southwest later on in the afternoon. But certainly for the Midlands and eastern England, a much improved day. The winds won't be as strong, thankfully, as they've been over the past few days. More sunshine and a bit warmer, so 19 degrees or so in London. We've got this week front, and then we've got fresher conditions with sunshine and showers following from the northwest. So looking through this coming week then, Tuesday, a quieter day, ridge of high pressure for a time. Into Wednesday, things are turning more unsettled with low pressure working in. So some mild air with us for a time, but I think through the second half of next week, you'll see a return to the blue colours, the northwesterly or westerly winds starting to move in. So an autumnal week ahead, really. Not too bad through the course of Monday and Tuesday as well. But then from Wednesday onwards, we see a return to something a bit more unsettled, plenty of showers, blustery winds, and those temperatures dipping down a little bit as well. So I think for those of you that will see the sunshine, particularly in the west today, do go out and enjoy it. Ben and Nina.
Make the most.
She's still.
Good morning. I'm still here for now, yes. Good morning to you, Nina and Ben. It is a beautiful start to the day for many of us, but certainly a cold one. In fact, in Northern Ireland, it's been the coldest September night on record, with temperatures at Cambridge down at -3.7 Celsius. A cold start to the day too across parts of Scotland, Wales as well. This is the scene at the moment just on the edge of the Snowdonia National Park. So a beautiful morning there. Many of us waking up to similar conditions, but certainly not everywhere, because it's another really mixed day today. We're going to see a brisk wind, there'll be some sunshine, but across eastern England in particular, you've still got an area of low pressure nearby. You can see it here on the satellite image, the cloud rotating around that low pressure. So once again, that's driving in cloud and really strong northerly winds to these eastern counties of England, with a few showers as well. But further north and west across the UK, higher pressure in charge, less windy with a good deal of sunshine as well. So anywhere from the likes of County Durham right down towards Kent, it is fairly cloudy. Few showers around, nothing particularly heavy in terms of rainfall, but some gusty winds. But across Scotland this afternoon, bit of a breeze blowing in after that cold start, though it's looking lovely this afternoon. Lots of blue sky and sunshine, the cloud just burning back towards the Aberdeenshire coast. Northern Ireland, northwest England and Wales also seeing lots of sunshine, a little bit of cloud building through the afternoon. But around those east coasts, look at the wind gusts, 40 to 50 miles per hour, with some big waves driving in around coasts of Lincolnshire into Norfolk, for instance, as well. Eventually this evening and tonight, those strong winds in the east will ease away. The showers clear away too. We've got the next frontal system moving in from the northwest, bringing a bit more cloud, so certainly not as cold for Northern Ireland tonight. But in between these two zones of cloud, clearer skies mean temperatures well down into the low single figures. So Monday morning then starts off on that chilly note for most of us. We have got a frontal system making its way in from the west, slowly pushing eastwards, but it's bumping into that higher pressure, so it's not going to amount to too much. There will be some patchy rain Monday morning across western Scotland, Northern Ireland at times too. That area of cloud and a few showers pushing into the northwest of England, Wales and the southwest later in the afternoon. But certainly through the Midlands and eastern England, a much less windy day, an improved day for Monday. Warmer too, with temperatures in London up to about 19 degrees or so in the sunshine, followed by fresher conditions with sunshine and showers from the northwest. So heading through into Tuesday, we've got a ridge of higher pressure, so a window of quieter weather. By the time we get to Wednesday, though, that's when the next Atlantic system makes its way in, bringing some rain, some brisk winds, and that will introduce some cooler air. The blue colours returning as we look towards the latter half of this coming week. So it's a bit up and down then over the next few days. Very mixed today, some sunshine, particularly in the west. More of us will see some drier weather through Monday and Tuesday before things turn cooler, more unsettled, with plenty of those autumnal showers towards the end of this week. Back to you, Nina.